Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. I want to show you how to care for your cane after it's all harvested. We've got most of this harvested. We've got a few pieces of the chewing cane left. So we're going to be getting that up out of here because it's getting to be time to actually cover this up and get it taken care of. And I'm going to show you the process in doing that. First we're going to get this up out of the way, but I want to show you these. This is what will happen after you cut your cane. Good boy. Hank's just been let out of the pen. He's pretty enthusiastic. We're trying to train him as to how to actually handle the animals if they get out and move around. So that's what we're doing with the turkeys. They started coming back here in the garden, and we let him kind of keep them pushed back in the other direction. He's not going to hurt them or catch them or anything like that. Now he's getting this wild hair that he wants to go in with the pigs. So we're going to wait and see if he actually makes sense. He wants to go in there so bad. He doesn't realize those pigs will get him. Anyway, all right, getting back to the sugar cane. Okay guys, we show you once you cut this down, this is what's going to happen. All this stuff's going to start sprouting back up. What you want to do is just come in here. You want to just cut all this stuff back off, because if you don't, it'll freeze and it'll kill your cane. And once you get this kind of stuff cut off, you can move it out of the way. All right. You can see little pieces like this will keep popping off. But that's what you want to do when your sugar cane tries to re-sprout. All right, we're going to get the rest of this cut off, and then we're going to move forward and show you what else we're going to do with the cane. right, guys, we have got this here all healed up now. This is what you do to your sugar cane. You bed it back up after you cut it all down. That protects it for the winter time. Now you'll have to pay attention because a lot of times during the winter time the rain will wash the dirt down and you'll have to go back and do it again. But this is called a disc killer that we use. This is a new piece of equipment. Wanda and I saved for a while to be able to purchase this. We're not as fortunate as a lot of channels who go, companies give them equipment. We don't have that luxury. We have to buy everything we have. And it's a good piece of equipment to have. It's good for potatoes, sugarcane, just making terraces, whatever. It's really good for that. I really recommend it if you have a tractor on a homestead. It's a good piece of equipment to own. But now that we've bedded this up, I'm going to show you the next step that you go back and do with your sugarcane. All right, one of the first things you want to do is go back and you want to cut off any cane that's left sticking up so that you make sure it's covered up by the dirt. Because if it freezes, any of these little things will cause that to sour and go back down into the sugar cane. You just want to keep dropping back and forth. Over here we got a few that you want to be able to reach, where like when you pile the dirt up, you want to be able to reach up under there and just cut it off under the dirt. It'll be fine. You'll have to go back and wash your things off once you get through, but that's what you do. You just walk down the road till you find them. One here, just cut it off under the dirt, and we'll go through here and we're going to finish up the rest of this. Doing that, we got some here. But guys, that's how you take care of sugarcane. You bed it up, cut these off. Now during the winter time, you'll possibly have what they call an Indian summer, and this stuff will keep sprouting and coming back up. If it warms up, you've got to cut it off and keep bedding it back up during the winter months so that you don't let it freeze and lose it. So I hope that you've enjoyed showing you how to deal with sugarcane and how to handle it in the Deep South. So thank you from Deep South Homestead.